Hi, my name is Catherine. I'm your digital librarian. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can filter your search on the SDA Periodical Index. There are a few filters that are available that are extremely useful. I'll show you how to restrict your results to just periodicals or obituaries, and also how to pull results from one specific periodical. So we'll start by saying that we are looking for periodical article results rather than obituary results. So the very first thing I'm going to choose is the source of my results. And once that has loaded, now I'm going to say that I would only like to see results that appear in a particular periodical, which means I need to go to this filter that says part of. So it is part of this particular periodical. And I'm going to say that I want Andrews University Focus. And this way I have reduced my results to only 52. I know that they are articles, not obituaries, and I know that they appear in Focus magazine.